Hello everyone, we are here today at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge Jambo house where we are staying in a value one-bedroom villa. This villa is really unique because it sleeps up to 4 adults and is smaller than the regular one-bedroom villa that sleeps up to 5 adults.
Now these rooms are some of the cheapest one-bedrooms anywhere on property, so they're very coveted, but there are only 10 of these one-bedroom value villas, so it's kind of hard to get one unless you already own an Animal Kingdom Lodge. Also, the view is not something you can choose or request here. It's just luck of the draw. You could have a view of the savannah, the pool, or the parking lot. We got really lucky today, and we really love our view and can't wait to show you.
Let's check it out.
So when we first enter the room here, we are in the dining room and kitchen area. We do have a full kitchen in this room, even though it's a little smaller. We've got a full-size fridge and freezer. We have a stove and an oven. We've got cabinets that are fully stocked with all the dishes and pots and pans that we could need. A dishwasher, a sink. We have a toaster and a full-size coffee maker over there in the corner with little Simba hanging out above the toaster. And we also have a microwave. You can see in the cabinets we've got plates and bowls and cookware, things like that as well. Behind us we have the dining room table, and in the back of the chairs you may recognize Mufasa carved into the chairs. Fun little detail there. And they also have on the feet of the table, you can see they have hooves, just like cattle. Kind of a fun detail they put in here. A lot of detailing in the furniture here at Jambo House overall. The bench on the back side of the table, and then a really cool light fixture up above it. We do have a door here to the studio next door that makes this a 2-bedroom lock-off. However, those are really difficult to come by when it comes to booking because the studios here go really quickly. Now in the living room we do have a pull-out couch that is a queen-size bed, but the chair is just a regular chair. In the other one-bedroom villas this would be a pull-out chair, but here there's not enough room for it. We have an end table over here with a lamp on it and our phone. Next to the couch we've got a coffee table, and then our dresser across the room does have another Simba carved into it, as well as USB and wall outlets on either side, and then drawers down below for storage, which I think this is probably supposed to be Zazu. We're just going to go with it because it looks kind of like him. And then we have a TV up above there. We've got a lamp in the corner over there, and then another one on the end table over here. And then this balcony out here does have a beautiful savannah view. We got very lucky with this room. You can see we've got a balcony all the way across. We've got several chairs out here, I think 4 chairs and a small table, and it does go all the way across, so those doors over there are the master bedroom here. And we've got a beautiful view of the savannah. We've seen a few animals walking by. There's a couple sleeping off in the distance. You can't really see them past the trees there. So we'll come out again later and see if we can see them. They tend to come out more right around sunset time. But a really nice savannah view here at the end of the building. And then heading into the master bedroom and the bathroom down this hallway over here. Directly in front of us, these bifold doors are where you'll find your laundry. You've got a stackable washer and dryer in here, as with all 1-bedroom and larger villas in the DVC rooms. And then you also have a laundry basket, your iron and ironing board, and a little hook right there on the wall for hanging coats and things. And then your bedroom in here, you've got a king-size bed. So you've got a really tight squeeze in here because you lose the space in the room between the door and the bed. So if you're closing the door, you'll notice that the clearance by the bed is very small. That's one of the biggest differences we've noticed with this villa. Everything's kind of compressed due to the loss of space in the room. It's just not quite as deep. Now on either side of the bed we do still have nightstands that have those ostrich eggs lamps. Those are my favorite lamps, I think, in any of the Disney resorts. They're really cool. And then you also have USB outlets built in to the top of the nightstands. We've got Simba and Nala up on the headboard. Really cute there. I love the headboard here in these rooms. And then across the room we have our dresser, and we also have a wardrobe. So the wardrobe's where you're going to find your closet rod there with your hangers, your safe, and then additional pillows and blankets. And then we have the dresser that also has those USB and wall outlets built into it, and the TV up above there. To the right of that we've got a mirror on the wall. Really cool carvings around it. Love that mirror. and a desk with a little lamp on it. We do have some USB outlets built into the desk and some wall outlets as well, and we have a hidden Mickey right there on the front of the desk. Really fun little detail there. And of course this balcony leads right over to the savanna view we had from the living room, just the other side. And we'll head over to the bathroom. This is not connected to the master, so it is a little different layout than some of the other resorts that have one bedrooms with the master en suite. And the bathroom over here is a little different layout where you only have the tub. You don't have a walk-in shower like the other one bedrooms here would have. So the sink here, we've got a double vanity, a really good sized counter, and also storage down below, and a smaller shelf up above the sinks there, right below the mirror. So you've got a lot of space there as far as counter space. And then behind the door, we have a tub. It is a jetted tub. You can see it's got the jets around it there, but they also have a shower head here in the tub, something they don't normally have in the regular one bedrooms here. So you got the detachable shower head there in the tub, and the tile back here behind the tub, you'll recognize some of our friends from The Lion King. And then in the corner, we just have a small door, and that is going to lead you to the room that just has the toilet in it. But if we move the door and look behind it, there is a mirror there, and you'll notice in the carvings in the mirror, we have Mickey heads up on the top and also down on the bottom. So just a little bit of a different layout here in the bathroom than we normally see in the one bedroom, but still plenty of space. And then in the living room, when you pull out that bed, you can see you do lose quite a bit of space. It gets a little bit more cramped, but even with the lessened space, it's not that bad in here. So we think for a value, this is really not bad if you only need 4 people in a room instead of 5. And that's going to conclude our tour of this one bedroom value villa here at Animal Kingdom Lodge Jambo House.
We hope you enjoyed that room tour. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up below and comment with any questions you have about the room here or Jambo House. Of course, subscribe to the channel so you know when we have even more videos coming, live streams, more room tours, and of course, fun Disney videos.
And if you're looking for more information about this resort or other Walt Disney World resorts, you can check out our website, herewiththeears.com. There's a link to that in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.
We're here with the ears.